Welcome to Saga and Shadows. Let us learn about the domestic architecture of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan people were master architects. Their houses were built with standardized, burnt bricks and featured a central courtyard for light and air. Privacy was a huge priority. Ground floor walls had no windows, and entrances were hidden in side alleys. Most homes even had private wells and bathrooms, connected to an incredible system of covered street drains, showing a level of hygiene far ahead of its time.